So hi my dear students. So welcome to video classes. So in previous class means previous session. So you already studied about refraction of light. So that is, so when area of light is traveling from one medium to another medium, there is a change in path of light as it travel from one medium to another medium. So this is called as refraction of light. So therefore, now in this session we are going to study about consequences due to refraction. It means the examples due to refraction, applications, effect due to what? Refraction. So simply that is called as consequences due to refraction of light. So here consequences means effect, examples, applications due to what? Refraction of light. So here first one here, lateral shift, normal shift, and third one is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Okay, so these are what the phenomena due to what? Refraction of light. So therefore, first you have to study one by one in detail. First you have to study here, that is what? Lateral shift. Lateral shift. Okay. So okay, that is first one is a lateral shift. See here, if you consider a rectangular glass slab. Okay. So when a ray of light is incident on this surface, so as you know already, when a ray of light is traveling from one medium to another medium, so this is vacuum or air, so this is glass medium, so this is medium 2 and this is medium 1. So therefore, when a ray of light is traveling from one medium to another medium, there is a change in path of light. Okay, see here, the ray of light is incident at an angle I to this surface, so at the normal at the point of incidence. So when the ray of light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, so glass means it is a denser, optically denser. So what happens? The refracted ray is what? Bent towards the normal. The refracted ray is bent towards the normal. When the ray of light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, the refracted, okay, this is what? The refracted ray, bent towards the normal. Again this ray, it is coming from, okay, denser to what? Rarer. So as you know, when a ray of light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, now this is air or vacuum, this is again first medium. So therefore, the refracted ray is bends away from the normal. So this is the direction of incident ray. Okay? This is what? The direction of incident ray. But this is what? The direction of emergent ray. Both directions in what? They are in same direction, but they are what? Separated by laterally certain distance. Laterally what? Certain distance. That is called as lateral shift. Okay. So when a ray of light passes through parallel sided slab, the direction of emergent ray, so this is emergent ray, the direction of emergent ray is the same as that of the direction of incident ray, but the path of the ray of light is shifted laterally by some distance, certain distance, that is called as a lateral shift. So this is this distance. That is the perpendicular distance between the direction of incident ray and the emergent ray. So that is called as a lateral shift. So this is a first application, first phenomenon. Example, due to what? Refraction of light, lateral shift. So when a ray of light passes through a parallel sided slab, the direction of emergent ray is same as that of incident ray, but the path of ray of light is shifted laterally by certain distance. So this distance is called as a lateral shift. So I hope it is clear idea. So now suppose if incident the ray of light normally, okay, so what happens? It passes straight without any deviation. There is no lateral shift. And if incident the ray of light normally. So therefore to produce this lateral shift, so you have to incident ray of light at certain angle. So therefore we will get a lateral shift to change its direction as it travels from one medium to another medium. So this is regarding a lateral shift. So next, the second concept, the second example, that is what? A normal shift. So if you go through the diagram here, so see the diagram, incident ray, okay, AO means incident ray, NA means normal to the first surface, PQ, I means angle of incidence. So I'll position the refracted ray, it bends towards the normal. Again it is incident on the second surface, SR, it bends away from the normal, that is emergent ray. This is direction of incident ray. So that is perpendicular distance between X and Y, that is lateral shift. So I will write a definition here. So when a ray of light passes through a parallel sided slab, the direction of, okay, emergent ray is same as the direction of incident ray, but the path of the ray is shifted laterally by certain distance is called as a lateral shift. Okay, see the diagram. So the second concept, second example. So the second case is a normal shift. So if you take a water, okay, it is placed in a one medium, okay, that is tank. So this is what? A tank. So this tank, it is filled with what? Water. So water means now it is denser medium. So at the bottom of tank you have to place the object, for example a small stone. So now the object is seen along normal to the surface. So what happens? There is an apparent shift in the position of object. An object is placed in one medium and it is viewed along normal to the surface. There is a apparent shift in the position of object. So that is called as a normal shift. An object is placed in one medium. Okay, this is a tank. It is filled with water up to this height. At the bottom of tank, you have to place object, that is O. You have to take small stone. And it is viewed along normal to the surface. There is a apparent shift in the position of object due to refraction of light. Due to what? Refraction of light. So that is called as a normal shift. Normal shift. See here, this is bottom of the tank. It contains water if it place object. So the ray of light is, okay, coming from this point O, is incident on the interface of two media. So this is denser media and this is a rarer media. So you have to incident here. So this is again at incident here. This is normal, it passes straight. But here is this point and this point. Now to take normal here. So as you know, when area of rate is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ incident ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ normal draw ಮಾಡೀನಿ. So therefore, when area of light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, the refracted ray, the reflected light, the refracted light, it bends away from the normal. It bends away from the normal. So this is direction of incident. Okay, but ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, changes its direction. So therefore, if you take backward direction, okay, backward direction, the image is formed here. This is what? The position of image. But ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತದು? At the bottom of the tank ittu. And viewed along normal to the surface, there is a apparent shift in the position of object due to what? Refraction of light. Illi this is what? Denser medium. Illi ಏನಾಗತ್ರಿ? This is incident. Illi incident ಆಗತ್ತಾ? Illi incident ಏನಾಗತ್ತಿ? This is what? Interface of two media. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So therefore, the refracted ray of light, it bends away from the normal. So therefore, if you take a backward direction, what happens? The image is coming from this point, that is eye. Actually ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಣತ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಾಣುತ್ತ. Okay, so because of what? Refraction of light, that is called as normal shift. An object is placed in one medium and it is viewed along normal to the surface, there is a apparent shift in the position of object, that is called as a normal shift. So hanga nodi, this is object up to this is real depth. For example 12 centimeter here. Okay, real depth ಎಷ್ಟದರಿ? 12 centimeter. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ. Due to refraction, the image is formed here this point. So this is apparent depth. Say for example 9 centimeter. 3 centimeter ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆತು. So this is an apparent depth. And this is the total height, that is real depth of the object. Apparent depth, that is how much? 9 centimeter. If you take the ratio of real depth to the apparent depth, okay, real depth to the apparent depth. So that gives what? The refractive index of the medium. The refractive index of the given medium. You have to understand. So I have to take here water. So that gives what? The refractive index of water. So I hope it is clear idea. That is N ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. N means refractive index. So therefore N is equal to U divided by V. U means object distance, that is real depth. Say for example 12 centimeter. Okay, V means position of image, apparent depth, that is 9 centimeter. So therefore if you take the ratio of real depth divided by apparent depth, that gives what? The refractive index of a given medium. Okay, so this is regarding a normal shift. So if you go through the diagram, okay, we get clear picture. See here. So if you go through the picture diagram, note, object is placed at bottom. It is viewed along the surface. There is apparent shift. That is apparent object. Real object, apparent object. Okay. Therefore, N is equal to U by V. That is real depth divided by apparent depth. So therefore, once again write here, when an object O is placed in one medium, is viewed from another medium along the normal to the surface, there is an apparent shift in the position of object and it is called as normal shift. So this ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗೋಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್. ಸೊ therefore if you go through another example, you will get clear picture. See here, if you go through the diagram, so therefore you will get clear picture. An object is placed at the bottom, so a person is viewed along normal to the surface. A person is viewed the object along normal to the surface, there is a apparent shift. ತೋರಿಸಿರೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ third example, third application due to refraction of light. So that is advanced sunrise and delayed, okay, advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. So this is also due to what? Refraction through atmosphere. Refraction through atmosphere. See here, so this is earth, a person is standing on the earth surface, so this is sun. So when the sun is at this position, still it is not crosses the horizon. Okay, so therefore the ray of light turning from, so this is okay, completely vacuum, so means it is rarer medium. It is what? Rarer medium. So when the ray of light is turning from rarer medium to denser, it means here this is what? Atmosphere, earth atmosphere. It contains dust particles, smoke particles, okay, etc. Therefore now it acts as a denser medium. It acts as a what? Denser medium, and it is rarer medium. Therefore when the ray of light coming from sun, it crosses, that is horizon, means now it acts as a normal. It acts as a what? Normal. Therefore when the ray of light is turning from rarer medium to denser medium, the refracted ray, it bends, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, okay, but it bends towards the normal. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನ ಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದ, ಇನ್ನ ಹಾರಿಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅರ್ತ್ ಹಾರಿಜನ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಸನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಸ್, ಸನ್ ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ is this position. Okay, therefore when a ray of light is turning from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Okay, so therefore what happens here? The sun will appears. ಇನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲದಂದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದನ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ and delayed sunset, similarly at this position. So I hope it is clear idea. So this is earth atmosphere. Okay, this is horizon. A person is standing on a surface. Okay, so therefore he receives sunlight. Okay, before advanced sunrise, because of what? Refraction through atmosphere. So I hope it is clear idea. If you go through the diagram, so therefore you will get clear picture. See the diagram here. True position, that is perceived position, atmosphere. So this is what? Advanced sunrise and delayed sunset at this position. So this is what? Due to refraction through atmosphere. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅದಲ್ರಿ, ದ ರೇ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ವೇರ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ. The refracted ray is what? Bent towards the normal. Therefore, so it comings from S dash ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, it comings from S dash. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಏನಾಗಲ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಹಾರಿಜನ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್. Lateral shifts, normal shifts, and refraction through the atmosphere. That is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Okay. So therefore, I will continue in next class. So in next class, we have to discuss about total internal reflection. Okay. I will continue in next class. Thank you.